I'm Colin Singer, immigration lawyer and managing partner of Immigration.ca. Canada Immigration News Articles, August 2014. Appeal Court upholds oath to Queen in Citizenship case. When new citizens swear an oath to the Queen, they are not pledging allegiance to her personally. The Ontario Court of Appeal ruled this week, rejecting a challenge by 3 permanent residents who have refused citizenship over an oath they say violates their political or religious beliefs. The group launched a constitutional challenge last year, arguing that forcing candidates for Canadian citizenship to swear allegiance to the Queen violates the protections for free speech and freedom of religion in the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. In a recent decision, Ontario's top court dismissed their objections to the oath, ruling the group was wrong to take the oath literally. The decision, citing previous rulings, says that would-be citizens are not actually swearing allegiance to the Queen herself, as the reference to the Queen is symbolic of our form of government and the unwritten constitutional principle of democracy. The lead lawyer representing the group said his clients had not made a final decision, given the uphill climb involved in convincing the Supreme Court to hear the case. One of the would-be citizens involved in the case is an 80-year-old Michael McTeer, former Toronto Star journalist. He grew up in Ireland, but has lived in Canada since 1964. He took issue with assertions in the appeal decision that those with Republican or anti-monarchist views are free to express them even after taking the oath, and that they could even disavow elements of the oath without any repercussions. Mr. McTeer said he would never swear the oath to the Queen just to obtain his citizenship. The other applicants opposed the oath on similar grounds. According to court submissions, Simon Topi, a Rastafarian, believes the Queen is the Queen of Babylon, and that swearing the oath would deeply violate her religious beliefs. The third, Dror Bar Natan, an immigrant from Israel, calls the oath repulsive because she says the Queen is a symbol of inequality. Lawyers for the federal government argued that those who refuse to support Canada's fundamental constitutional structure are not entitled to the benefits of citizenship, including the right to vote. Before the Court of Appeal in April, government lawyer argued that the Queen symbolizes the rule of law and the right of free speech. In a 22-page ruling last September, Ontario Superior Court Justice Edward Morgan laid out the history of Canada's evolution as a constitutional monarchy and turned down the request to void the oath. However, the Court of Appeal agreed with a cross-appeal filed by the federal government and overturned Justice Morgan's finding that the oath violates the Charter's freedom of expression rights. Mr. Roach, a longtime friend of Mr. Rosenthal, refused to swear the oath and became a citizen because he believed the Queen was a symbol of imperialism and because of injustices done to his ancestors in the name of the British monarchy. Source: The Globe and Mail.